today we are switching to jewelry. We are going to do some jewelry, and I'm going to show you how to put together a necklace. So I had some pieces that are already made, resin pendants. So I'm going to put my necklace together. So I have different type of hooks that I can use. So it all depends on the shape of your pendant. So I'm going to use my pliers to show you the different types of hooks. So now here we have the jump ring. This one is a peneye hook, and this one is a bell. So the bell is, the back is flat, so you can literally glue on, I think it's called glue on bell. So do you see that? So you can glue it to attach your necklace. So it all, you have to determine if it's, you know, going to work or not. So for this one, I realized that it's not going to work because this piece is too heavy, so it's gonna tend to bend forward and not lay flat because it's just too heavy. So we're not going to use that. And also it just doesn't look nice. Aesthetically, it doesn't look nice. So we might use something else like the jump ring, and we are going to drill a hole. I will show you later, and we'll just slide it in. So now, you know, this is gonna work. Okay, so, and for this one, you would use it in a situation where the top of your pendant is flat. So, and your hook, and you can screw on your hook on top of the pendant, and then you will pass your necklace through it. But today I'm just going to use the ring. Oops. So now I already had a previous hole there, so I'm going to see if it's the right size. So if it's not the right size, if for example, I'm sorry guys, if the hole is too small, I may have to drill my hole bigger. So I have my drill. So I have to check to see the size of my drill, to see which one is going to fit. For the hole that I need. We don't want the hole to be too big or too small. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so basically this is pretty thick, but I'll try it and see. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going to drill. Hold on guys. Okay, I have to tighten it more. Okay, all right, let's see, let's try again. So I'm going to drill. Okay, here we go. Okay, so if I want my hole to be bigger, I can pick a bigger size. So I have different sizes guys. Okay, so now I can use my plier to slide in my hook. See, oh, my hands too, if I'm able to hold it. And let's see. Okay. Let's try with my fingers, guys. Okay, so my hole is pretty big, so it slid right through. Okay, so and then I'll just close it with the pliers. Okay, let's see. I wear glasses, so sometimes I have to take off my glasses in order to see close up. So it's very, you know, I'm getting old. So of course, okay, so of course you're going to make it aesthetically pleasant and nice. Not pleasant, guys, aesthetically appealing. So okay, all right, so all right, okay, and after that, so here is my all right, that's it, and we're all done. Actually, not all done. So once I slide this through, so now so what I'm going to use to glue this to this metal piece, I have this glue here, B700. I think I have it. Let's see. This is already open. That's what I was checking. So I'm going to just add, by the way, guys, I have to thank YouTube. So that's where I learn most of my stuff. So, okay, so I'm just going to add a little glue. And this is very, very tough glue. And if my hole here is too small, I may need to use my pliers. But what I found out, if I twist it, keep twisting it, it will go right in. Let's see, it went right in. So that's it. And then I will use my pliers to secure it, make it tighter, and I'm all done. Okay, we always want to think about how it looks. Okay. All right, so now my jewelry is done, and I'm going to wear it. Here we go, guys. Let's see how it looks. This is kind of bulky. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. Where is my jewelry? Where did it go? Okay. All right, here we go. Look how beautiful my piece is. Beautiful. All right, guys, so this is it for today. Next time I may use a different type of hook and show you, how to apply it. But that's it for today, and, have a good evening and take care.